Hey guys, welcome back to Delft Stack, and today I will be showing you how to avoid clean air zone on Waze. So, in order for you to do this process, guys, ensure your vehicle details like license, plate, or compliance are set correctly in the settings. So, to do that, you can just simply go ahead and tap on the Waze application. Now here on the Waze, you can just simply select the top left corner, which is the three lines. Now over here, you can just simply go ahead and tap on the settings right over here. Now here guys, you can just simply go ahead and tap on toll and HOV passes and make sure to add relevant passes if you are exempt. And now another one is you could just simply go ahead and check for alerts or route options. So guys, if you go for a specific route, sometimes the Waze will tell you the route is going through CAZ, allowing you to pick up some alternative route. So pretty much just simply check for some alternative route to avoid clean air zone because it will indicate if you are passing through a clean air zone. Now, another option is you could use a broader avoidance settings by going through the settings once again. So go through the settings, and from here, you can just simply go for the navigation tab and make sure to select avoid toll roads to steer clear of all toll roads, which might include some CAZ areas, though it is less specific. And pretty much, this is all the feature that you can do to avoid CAZ on Waze. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.